Hello everyone and welcome to this video. As you may know, I am working on a lot of projects at the same time, and sometimes in my spare time, which I hardly have left, but sometimes I also take care of questions from users. In this case, there was a user who asked me to take a look at a picture taken in 2010 in the evening at around 9 o'clock, and it showed an aircraft and something next to it. And this person was very eager to know what this object was. So I took a closer look. Here we have the aircraft, the contrails, and the white object. And it turned out to be a UFO in the shape of a teapot. And here we go. Okay, first thing I do when I get a picture from someone else is check if this information is genuine. So I looked at the date and time of the original and digitized, and it's exactly the same. Also, the quality of the camera was very important to me, and it's a Canon EOS 500D, so there's no doubt about the quality of the camera. Then a second step is that I analyze the picture with JPEG Snoop, which is a freeware program. You can download it from www.impulseadventure.com, and with this program you can verify if a JPEG file is genuine. So in this case, the assessment was that it is a class 4 image and that the software was uncertain if it was processed or original. And that was only because I did not have any compression signatures of this specific camera in my database. But we still have no confirmation that it is processed or original. So the next step is to check with an error level analyzer. And this is the error level analysis picture, a comparison between the two. This is the original one, as you can see, and here we have the error level analysis picture. And where the manipulations are, or better the editing, we see these little colored specks, which is pretty normal for an ELA. And in this case, I asked the person who sent me the picture what he or she did with it. Well, the manipulation was that he tried to sharpen the aircraft and not the rest of the picture, only the aircraft. So that was sufficient information for me, because the white dot, the UFO, had not been manipulated in any way, as you can see. It's only the part where the aircraft is. Okay, with that information I started to do my research, my analysis. And this is what I found. First I zoomed in on the object, as you can see here. It looks like a cube, and there's something white in it, and we see different colors. So the white speck that we first saw is no longer white, it has colors. Next step is to remove all the unwanted light and reflections, and then it leaves us with a clear shaped object. Okay, then we remove the blur and we focus, and then we see something appear inside. We see structure. Next step I did was that I used the Ultralux software, which removed all the unwanted contrast variations, and then we see that there is a real object inside. And this looked already like a bit like a teapot, because here we have the handle, and this is the bottom, and here we have the lid. Okay. Next step, remove all light, and we enhance further. So now we already have this. The white speck we saw on the first picture now turns out to be something very different. See? More colors added, and now we see that we have a blue disc here, two orange objects here, a handle and a lid, and something green on top. Okay, we zoom in further. We see the handle, nice handle, the bottom, the belly of the teapot, and the lid. Okay, we add some extra colors. And we'll do some simplification. Simplification is a way to determine borders. And now we see that there is a difference between the two orange specks. And this is a totally different color now. So this is more artificial, but because of the borders, we now clearly see the structure. And there's some sharpening. And some more sharpening. And as you can see, it looks like a teapot. Okay, there's a lot more to come. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time. Bye bye.